Yeah, definitely agree. I think that working with a lot of different companies, sometimes budget constraints do come up and re-airs are more budget friendly. You put a ton of time and energy into creating a webinar. Webinars are a lot of work, so why not get as much out of them as you can? I know, Lindsay, you will probably bring up video repurposing because that's a super important topic on this question. But I think that when you're thinking about re-airs, you want to think about how to position them. So the first is, like Ariana mentioned, and something that Uber for Business has seen a ton of success with, is positioning it as a net new webinar, which is great. You can also position it and use it at the kind of FOMO angle, like you missed out on this great webinar, as a driver to create excitement and kind of intrigue into the topic. So with that, you can use actual quotes from the session, some memorable moments. You can use clips using ContentLab to clip up the session and promote the session prior to the re-air with some of those really salient moments from the session.